Hi, I'm Cindy. I have a cozy corner to show you. If you are new, welcome aboard, or if you are a member of the family, I'm so happy you are watching. Today is Cozy Corner or Vignette Open Invite collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescapes by Candy, and guest host Lisa. Hosting with her is Buckeye Girls Wreath and Things, Design with Emma, Pretty DIYs, Sasu Glam Style, Mabel's Tables, Z9 Design, and Annalise Cupboard. Please use the hashtag CozyCorner23. I have a couple of shelves in my laundry room and thought it would be a good idea to modernize it. And I often change it with the seasons or with whatever is going on. Like one time it was Nurses Week, and so I put things pertaining to the medical field. So you can do anything that you want with it. I cleaned the shelf and began to style it. On the first shelf, I placed a dowel vase that I made some time ago and put some dried flowers as fall is on the way. But I have had in the past real flowers and faux flowers. Next, I made a cute key holder to replicate the man's key and the woman's key to a door or a car. And I think I made this during a What Would You Make last year or so. So if you want to check to see how I did it, look back at my previous DIYs. Lastly, I found this black leaf at the Dollar Tree, and I added that for a trio because you have to place things on the shelf. I think it is good for the eye when you place them in 3s and 5s and 7, odd numbers. So the next shelf contains a similar fall vignette. I cleaned that shelf too, and I put an empty black frame as I could not find a nice brown one, but I think it works. Next, I had a tiny brown ceramic vase that my cousin gave me several years ago. Next, I laid a dried flower on the shelf, followed by an etched glass vase I DIY a month or so ago. And you can look at that DIY video also. Lastly, I made a wooden ring vase that I made for a collaboration. Again, what would you make? So follow that one also. I inserted some dried florals, and now I have a modern look before I leave the house. Now I change this with every season because it keeps me inspired. So let me know what inspires you and if you would do this. It makes me smile when I leave the house. That is all I have for you today, Z9 Design family. Until next time, if you have liked what you have seen, please subscribe, like, save, and comment. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all of your comments. And today, I would like to give a shout out to a viewer from Jackson, Tennessee. So, hi Susan, so glad that you have been a consistent viewer. I really appreciate you. Please subscribe and let me know where you're from. And next time, you might get a shout out. And remember, love is a choice that you make moment to moment unknown. See you later. Bye-bye.